Imagine a being so powerful that time itself bows to his command. This isn't a modern superhero, but an ancient deity known as Chronos. In the grand tapestry of Greek mythology, Chronos stands as a figure of immense power and significance. Born from the primordial entities Gaia and Uranus, this titan is not merely a character but a pulsating embodiment of time, a concept as old as existence itself. Chronos is a titan, a divine being that predates even the renowned Olympians. His realm is not limited to mere mortals or the confines of Earth. He governs the very fabric of time, wielding control over past, present, and future. His influence is woven into the threads of countless myths and legends, and his legacy has left an indelible mark on our understanding of the cosmos. As we embark on this journey, let's delve into the mystifying world of Chronos, a titan who ruled even before the inception of the Olympian gods. To understand Chronos, we must first unravel his origin story. Who were his parents? The tale of Chronos begins with the embodiment of the cosmos itself. His parents, Uranus, the personification of the sky, and Gaia, the living embodiment of the earth, came together in a union that would shape the world as we know it. This powerful pairing gave birth to the mighty Chronos, a being of immense power and influence. His birth marked a new era in the universe, as he was destined to hold sway over time itself, a concept hitherto unknown to the cosmic entities. His parents, representing the vast expanses of the sky and the fertile depths of the earth, formed the perfect progenitors for a titan who would wield such a fundamental force. Chronos was not just another offspring of Uranus and Gaia. He was the catalyst, the game changer, the titan who would set the stage for a monumental shift in power. Born of the universe itself, Chronos emerged as a powerful figure destined to shape the course of time and existence. Every mythological figure carries a symbol, and Chronos, the god of time, is no exception. As the embodiment of inevitability, Chronos is often depicted with the symbols of time and the harvest. In ancient art, Chronos is represented as an old man, stooped and frail, with a scythe in his hand, a tool traditionally used in the harvest. This image not only reflects the cyclical nature of seasons and crop cultivation, but also the human life cycle, birth, growth, decline, and death. But there is also a more sinister symbol associated with Chronos, the serpent. This creature, eating its own tail, is a symbol of the eternal cycle of time, but also of the destructive power of Chronos. The serpent is self-consuming, just as time devours all things. So whether it's the ticking clock, the ripened grain, or the coiling serpent, each symbol associated with Chronos whispers of the same truth. Chronos, through his symbols, embodies the cyclical nature of time and the inevitability of destiny. Chronos's reign was a time of prosperity, but it was also marked by a dark prophecy and a gruesome act. Born from the primordial entities Gaia and Uranus, Chronos, the personification of time, was destined for greatness. Yet this greatness came at a terrible cost. To ascend to power, Chronos committed an unthinkable act. Driven by the prophecy that he would be overthrown by his own child, just as he had done to his father Uranus, he castrated his father with a sickle, effectively ending his reign. With this, Chronos became the ruler of the cosmos, and his rule ushered in a period known as the Golden Age. The Golden Age was a time of prosperity and peace. Humans lived in harmony with the gods, enjoying bountiful harvests and endless festivities. All was well, and Chronos' rule was unchallenged. But the prophecy that had spurred him to power continued to haunt him. In a desperate attempt to prevent it from coming true, he swallowed each of his children at birth. Yet destiny has a way of fulfilling itself. His youngest son, Zeus, escaped this grim fate thanks to the cunning of his mother, Rhea. As Zeus grew in strength and wisdom, he prepared for the inevitable confrontation with his father. The conflict between Zeus and Chronos culminated in an epic war known as the Titanomachy. It was a battle between the old and the new, the Titans and the Olympians, father and son. In the end, Zeus emerged victorious, overthrowing Chronos, just as the prophecy had foretold. Chronos' fall from power was swift and brutal. He was banished to Tartarus, the deepest part of the underworld, where he was imprisoned for eternity. From a ruler of the cosmos to a prisoner in Tartarus, Chronos' story is a cautionary tale about the dangers of power and prophecy. Chronos' reach extended beyond the earthly realm, influencing the cosmos itself. As the personification of time, Chronos was inherently linked to the celestial bodies that governed the passing of seasons and years. It was he who set the sun, moon, and stars on their eternal paths across the sky, creating a cosmic clockwork of impeccable precision. His influence didn't stop there. The Greeks believed that Chronos played a vital role in the creation of the cosmos, shaping the universe with his scythe, slicing through the primordial chaos to bring order. It was Chronos who spun the wheel of the zodiac, bringing forth the 12 constellations that we still recognize today. Moreover, it was believed that solar and lunar eclipses were Chronos' reminders of his continued reign over time and existence, even after his dethronement. The universe, in its infinite expansiveness, bears the mark of Chronos' influence. The legacy of Chronos transcends mythology, permeating language and art. This titan of time has left an indelible mark on our lexicon and our cultural expressions, shaping how we perceive and express the passing of time. Consider the concept of chronological order. This term, derived from the Greek words chronos, meaning time, and logos, meaning word or reason, is a testament to Chronos' role as the personification of time. In a sense, every time we arrange events in the order they occurred, we're paying homage to this ancient deity. The influence of Chronos extends beyond our words to the realm of visual art. Throughout the ages, artists have attempted to capture the essence of this enigmatic figure, each interpretation offering a unique perspective on the titan who ruled the cosmos. In ancient times, Greek artists often depicted Chronos as an old man, hunched with the weight of eternity. He was shown with a sickle or scythe, a symbol of his role in the harvest of time. This visual representation cements the connection between Chronos and the inexorable passage of time, the cycles of life and death, growth and decay. In literature, too, Chronos' influence is evident. From ancient Greek epics to modern science fiction, the concept of time, its power, its passage, its mysteries, continues to inspire and intrigue. From words we use every day to timeless artistic masterpieces, Chronos' influence continues to resonate through the ages. The titan of time, it seems, is as enduring as time itself.